Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a big question players often have. Can you change your banking partner in Monopoly Go? So, this feature is crucial for maximizing spins, so let's get into the details. Monopoly Go has a unique banking partner feature where you and a friend team up to spin the wheel and participate in various events. Each partner contributes equally, meaning you both invest the same amount of money for spins, making it a collaborative effort to win rewards together. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Once you have selected a banking partner, this decision is locked in. You won't be able to change partners later. It's a one-time choice, so make sure you pick someone who's committed and reliable. This permanent setup means that your partner choice can impact your gaming experience, so think carefully before choosing. I also have a tip for those looking to make the most out of this feature. Choose a friend who plays consistently and is willing to invest time and resources. This way, you will maximize your opportunities to win rewards and participate in events together without interruptions. And that's all you need to know about changing banking partners in Monopoly Go. Once you've picked up a partner, it's final. So make your choice wisely to ensure smooth gameplay and maximize rewards. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.